Welcome to the Planner Portal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize some simple tools to make using the Planner Portal a success for you this year. First, let's start off by looking at how to make a reservation. You click on the Make a Reservation button, which takes you to the reservation page. Here you can make individual or bulk reservations. For individual reservations, you're going to want to start on line 1 and fill out all the basic contact information, and then click on the More Information section. Here you're required to fill out contact information and billing information. You only need to fill out the additional guest or request field if that's required for that particular guest. Once you do this, you click Done and then Submit to complete your reservation. To make bulk reservations, fill out the contact information in the default line. After you've done this, you hit the checkbox to the left of the default line and select the number of rooms which you want to make your bulk reservations for. From there, you hit Apply. Then hit Submit to complete your reservations. As you can see, these reservations are highlighted in red, so they're not complete. So if you hit Submit, you'll get a warning like popped up here. Once you complete your records and hit Submit, your reservations will be confirmed. Because these reservations were not completed, they'll show up below the confirmation line as not confirmed and tell you what information is required to complete the reservation. Now we'll go back to the home page and show you how to find and modify your reservations. You click on the Find Reservations button. This gives you a complete list of all your reservations. From here, you can click on the pencil icon on the right-hand side to modify your reservation. You can modify whatever contact information or billing information you need to correct your reservation. Once you've completed this, you've successfully modified your reservation. Next, we'll show you how to view your room block activity within your Planner portal. First, we'll look at the View Block and Rates button. This will show you a list by hotel of your night-by-night rooms for the event. It also gives you the room cost for each night. Next, if you click on the Block and Pickup Report button, this will generate a real-time report for you that can be exported into PDF or Excel or printed out right from this page. This gives you all the activity of your room block. And finally, while you're in your Planner portal, you can also upload your rooming list. Here, you select your rooming list file, and the rooming list template can be provided for you by ExpoVision. You need to name your rooming list and select the row in which your column headers start. In the standard template, it's row 1. You then need to select the format of your check-in and check-out dates. In the standard template, it's what's listed here. Any other notes can be added for the ExpoVision team below, and then you hit Submit. Once you hit Submit, your rooming list will go to the ExpoVision team so they can process all your reservations. Make sure you do this before your event cutoff date. Thank you again for choosing ExpoVision, and if you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out.